We are a global team of consultants, engineers, and geologists, united to leverage baseload renewable power and geothermal to address water scarcity issues. We are creating a renewable energy desalination unit to produce electricity and fresh water by using low-temp thermal energy and waste brines. Take a look at the components of our unit in this animation. Our system works by extracting the heat of a produced fluid through an ORC to produce renewable energy. The cooling cycle from the ORC process is combined to drive the desalination and water treatment, converting brines and fresh water. Energy is then stored and reused to operate the various components of the system, and fresh water is further filtered and stored to be used for a number of applications. We plan to collaborate with U.S. leaders for help with heat exchangers, looking to utilize advanced 3D printing techniques and corrosion-resistant alloys to improve the efficiency, costs, and operational lifespan of these components. We'll optimize the design and manufacturing at a U.S. national laboratory, perform initial testing at a U.S. national research facility, and conduct further testing in the Salton Sea. Improvements in efficiency of high-temperature, corrosion-resistant heat exchangers will not only help our project, but also advance the global utilization of geothermal resources, as well as cross-industrial innovations in aerospace, military, and IT.